2026 BMW Motorhome in its all-new color edition is creating buzz in the luxury mobile living segment with its advanced engineering and sleek futuristic design. BMW has taken a bold step by integrating a fresh and dynamic range of exterior shades that amplify its visual appeal. This motorhome is not just about travel, it's about doing it in style. The newly introduced colors include a vibrant sapphire blue, graphite shadow, alpine matte white, and a rich emerald green that not only reflect light brilliantly but also enhance the aerodynamics and contour visibility of the vehicle. Combined with the signature BMW grille and LED lighting accents, this model easily stands out on the road. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW Motorhome continues to deliver performance with a refined V8 hybrid engine that offers powerful torque and exceptional fuel efficiency. With enhanced battery capacity for the hybrid system, this motorhome allows longer electric-only drives, reducing fuel dependency and emissions. The ride is smoother than ever thanks to adaptive air suspension, and smart all-wheel drive ensures stability in every terrain from highways to off-road adventure paths. Inside the motorhome, luxury meets technology with every inch. The cabin features a fully customizable ambient lighting system that syncs with your mood, smart touchscreen control panels, and voice-activated assistance for hands-free convenience. The lounge area boasts Italian leather recliners, a 70-inch OLED retractable screen, and an integrated surround sound system. The kitchen is equipped with a smart refrigerator, induction cooktop, and convection microwave. Sleeping quarters offer a king-size memory foam bed with climate control, automated blinds, and skylight views. Safety remains a top priority in this 2026 edition. BMW includes its updated autonomous driving assistance system with lane keep assist, emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and 360-degree surround cameras. Parking is easier than ever with self-park technology and terrain-aware sensors that provide real-time adjustments. The vehicle's built-in AI assistant learns user preferences over time, personalizing navigation routes, entertainment, and comfort levels. The exterior structure is built using lightweight high-strength aluminum composite that improves fuel efficiency and durability. Solar panels on the roof charge the onboard power systems and keep your appliances running without relying on external power sources. BMW has also added a unique modular rear bay that can be converted into a mobile office, gym, or guest lounge based on your preference. In summary, the 2026 new color BMW Motorhome is not just a luxury on wheels but a complete lifestyle solution that combines aesthetics, performance, and functionality into one extraordinary experience. This model is clearly designed for those who value prestige, convenience,